Iano siya ng 0. Ayun. So, 50. 56.
56 or
57. 59. So, 60.
60.
Okay.
60. 아이고, oh my God.
63.
60. Oh,
No
yeah,
more.
yes.
So, kailangan pala, 60.
60.
60.
60.
Okay.
And 60.
And
60
then,
gram.
okay.
Fragrance
60.
oil.
And then, fragrance oil, 10.
No.
How many?
10%니까 6 gram.
Okay.
6 gram.
Okay.
6 gram. Here.
Okay.
Dun.
So, lagyan niya ng fragrance oil.
66. 66. 뭐,
Ay, siya 68.
68. 60. 10%. 60. 왁스가 60.
Okay.
Fragrance oil. 10% fragrance oil of wax. So, 66 or it's
68. Okay.
Yeah.
So, I will speak Tagalog. So, sabi niya, pwedeng sa 60 na yan, pwedeng maging 66 o 68. Yun ang abot yan. Tapos hahaluin. Mix.
30 times. 30 or 50 times.
Okay.
Shaking.
Okay. So, kailangan talaga i-mix.
예, 그 다음에 이렇게 해서
Okay. So, ilalagay ngayon doon.
Don't move. Don't
Okay.
move.
So, huwag daw uusog.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Perfect. Yeah. So, exactly pala. So, 66 to 68. Here.
Here.
Yeah.
Same fragrance use.
Yeah.
We make it different.
Okay. Okay.
So, to change. Change.
So, kailangan pala iba-ibang baso. Hindi pwede magsama. So, okay.
Same. 60.